You thought buying a camera from a big-name brand meant you were getting pro-level quality. But what if you're actually paying more for the logo than the performance? In today's market dominated by giants like Canon, Sony, and Nikon, some brands quietly overcharge while others deliver insane value. Fujifilm and Panasonic, for example, often punch above their price, especially in video and color science. But here's the truth. Not every camera brand deserves your money. Some rely on hype, outdated tech, or expensive ecosystems that drain your wallet long after purchase. Today we're exposing 5 camera brands robbing you blind, and 5 that are actually worth every rupee. Number 5. GoPro. Let's start with GoPro at number 5. These action cameras have dominated the extreme sports market for years. The Hero 12 Black costs around $900 brand new. But here's what they don't tell you about these tiny cameras. The actual manufacturing cost sits around $200 to $250 per unit. That means you're paying nearly 4 times the production cost just for the GoPro name. What makes this worse is that competitors like DJI Osmo Action offer nearly identical specs. The image quality, stabilization, and features are practically the same. Yet DJI prices their cameras $300 to $400 less. GoPro justifies this by claiming superior software and ecosystem integration. But let's be real, most users never touch those extra features. You're essentially funding their massive marketing campaigns and athlete sponsorships. The moment you buy a GoPro, it loses half its value immediately. Check the used market and you'll see Hero 11 models selling for half price. That's not normal depreciation, that's overpricing from the start. Number 4. Hasselblad. Coming in at number 4, we have Hasselblad. This Swedish brand has built its reputation on luxury medium format cameras. Their flagship models can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $30,000. Now, medium format sensors are expensive to manufacture, that's true. But Hasselblad takes this to another level entirely. A Hasselblad X2D will run you over $8,000 for the body alone. Meanwhile, Fujifilm's GFX system offers the same sensor size and similar performance. The Fujifilm GFX 100S costs almost half of what Hasselblad charges. Both use similar Sony-manufactured sensors. Both produce stunning image quality. So, what are you really paying for with Hasselblad? You're paying for heritage, for the name that went to the moon. You're paying for hand-assembled bodies and premium materials. But does that justify double the price for similar image output? For professional studio photographers, maybe the prestige matters. For everyone else, you're literally paying thousands extra just for a logo. Number 3. Sony high-end cameras. At number 3, Sony's high-end lineup deserves serious scrutiny. Don't get me wrong, Sony makes incredible camera technology. But their pricing strategy on flagship models has gotten out of control. The Sony A1 launched at $6,500 for just the body. The newer A9 III pushed past the $6,000 mark as well. These cameras pack impressive specs like 8K video and insane autofocus systems. However, Sony's manufacturing capabilities mean their production costs are much lower than competitors. They make their own sensors, they control the entire supply chain. This vertical integration actually reduces their costs significantly. Yet they price their cameras at the absolute maximum the market will bear. The markup on these flagship bodies reaches 60 to 70%. Compare this to their A7 IV, which offers 90% of the performance. The A7 IV costs less than half the price of the A1. That massive price jump isn't justified by double the technology or capability. You're paying a premium tax just for having the absolute latest and greatest specs. Number 2. Canon entry and mid-range. Camera's number 2 might surprise you because it's Canon's entry and mid-range lineup. Canon has dominated the beginner and enthusiast market for decades, but their pricing on cameras like the EOS R8 and R6 Mark II is questionable. The R8 body costs around $1,500 yet uses older sensor technology. It lacks in-body stabilization, a feature that competitors include at lower prices. Canon deliberately holds back features to protect their higher-end models. This product segmentation forces you to spend more to get basic features. The EOS R6 Mark II costs $2,500 for features that should be standard. Meanwhile, brands like Nikon and OM System offer similar specs for significantly less. Canon knows their brand loyalty is strong, especially among beginners. They exploit this by charging premium prices for mid-tier technology. Their RF lenses make this even worse, with most priced at over $1,000. Once you're in the Canon ecosystem, you're locked into their pricing structure. The markup on these mid-range bodies sits around 50 to 60%. You're not paying for cutting-edge tech, you're paying for the Canon brand name. Number 1. Leica. And finally, at number 1, the absolute king of overpriced cameras, Leica. Leica has built an entire business model around luxury pricing and exclusivity. A Leica M11 rangefinder will cost you over $8,000. The Leica Q3 compact camera runs nearly $6,000. Let's break down what you're actually getting for this money. The sensors inside Leica cameras are often sourced from Sony or other manufacturers. The image quality, while excellent, is not noticeably better than cameras costing a quarter of the price. What Leica does is hand-assemble cameras in Germany with premium materials. They offer exceptional build quality and a mechanical experience unlike anything else. But here's the truth. You're paying for heritage, exclusivity, and status symbols. The actual photography performance doesn't justify a 5 to 10 times markup. Professional photographers can achieve identical results with cameras costing $2,000. Leica knows their customers aren't buying tools, they're buying luxury items. It's the same psychology as buying a Rolex when a Seiko tells time just as accurately. The markup on Leica cameras can exceed 200 to 300% in some cases. Number 5. OM System. Let me tell you about OM System, the brand that keeps impressing photographers everywhere. This company focuses on making cameras that handle tough conditions without breaking a sweat. Their Micro Four Thirds sensors deliver stunning image quality while keeping the gear lightweight. What makes OM System special is their dedication to weather sealing and durability features. You can shoot in rain, snow, or dusty environments without worrying about damaging your equipment. The autofocus systems are fast and reliable, tracking subjects with impressive accuracy every time. The menu system is intuitive, making it easy to adjust settings quickly during fast-paced shoots. Battery life exceeds expectations, letting you shoot longer without constantly swapping power sources out. This brand represents excellent value for photographers who need reliable gear in challenging situations always. Their customer support is responsive and helpful whenever you need assistance with your equipment questions. OM System proves you don't need massive cameras to capture professional quality images consistently every day. Number 4. Sony Mid-Range. Sony's mid-range cameras have completely changed what photographers expect from their equipment at this level. These models pack professional features into bodies that won't empty your bank account completely overnight. The autofocus technology in Sony mid-range cameras rivals what you find in flagship professional models today. Real-time tracking keeps your subject sharp whether photographing fast-moving sports or unpredictable wildlife moments. Eye autofocus works incredibly well for both humans and animals, ensuring tack-sharp focus every single time. Image quality is exceptional with detailed files that give you plenty of room for editing later. Battery technology has improved significantly, addressing earlier concerns about power consumption issues photographers had before. Customization options let you set up the camera exactly how you prefer for your shooting style. Sony continues updating firmware, adding new features and improvements long after you purchase the camera. The investment in a Sony mid-range camera pays dividends through years of reliable performance always. This brand delivers professional results without requiring you to choose the most expensive flagship options. Panasonic has earned respect by creating cameras that excel for both photography and videography equally well. Their Micro Four Thirds and full-frame models offer something for every type of content creator today. What sets Panasonic apart is their commitment to video features that rival dedicated cinema cameras completely. You get unlimited recording time, no overheating issues, and professional codecs right out of the box. The image stabilization systems are legendary, providing smooth handheld footage without needing bulky stabilizers constantly. Photographers appreciate the excellent dynamic range that captures detail in both shadows and highlights beautifully always. Panasonic cameras feature intuitive controls that make sense, reducing the learning curve for new users significantly. Dual card slots provide redundancy, ensuring you never lose important shots due to card failure problems. Their lens lineup includes high-quality optics that deliver sharpness across the entire frame edge to edge. Low-light autofocus has improved dramatically, making these cameras viable for wedding and event photography work. The tilting and articulating screens help you compose shots from difficult angles easily without awkward positioning. Battery life is generous, often lasting through entire day-long shoots without needing backup batteries carried along. Panasonic represents incredible value, especially for hybrid shooters who need both photo and video excellence. Their cameras maintain value well, making them smart investments that serve you reliably for years ahead. This brand proves you can have professional features without compromising quality or breaking your savings completely. Number 2. Nikon. Nikon stands as one of photography's most trusted names with a legacy spanning many decades successfully. Their cameras combine traditional reliability with cutting-edge technology that pushes creative boundaries forward constantly. The ergonomics of Nikon cameras feel natural in your hands, with controls exactly where you need them. Image quality from Nikon sensors is outstanding, delivering files with beautiful color rendition and dynamic range. Their X-Speed processors ensure fast performance, minimal lag, and excellent noise reduction at high ISO settings. Autofocus systems have evolved tremendously, now competing with the best in the industry for speed and accuracy. Nikon's color science is beloved by photographers for producing skin tones that look natural and pleasing. Their cameras hold value exceptionally well, making them wise investments that pay back over time consistently. Customer loyalty to Nikon runs deep because the brand consistently delivers quality and reliability without fail. Choosing Nikon means joining a community of passionate photographers supported by decades of optical expertise. Number 1. Fujifilm. Fujifilm takes the top spot for delivering exceptional value, quality, and pure photographic joy to users. This brand understands that cameras should inspire creativity, not just capture images through technical specifications alone. The retro-inspired designs aren't just beautiful, they put important controls at your fingertips for intuitive shooting. Fujifilm's film simulations recreate classic film stocks digitally, giving your images unique character straight from camera. You can shoot in JPEG with confidence because the colors look so good right away. X-Trans sensors deliver outstanding image quality with resolution that rivals larger sensors impressively every time. Their lenses are phenomenal, offering incredible sharpness and beautiful rendering that brings your vision to life. The community around Fujifilm is passionate and supportive, sharing knowledge and inspiring creative growth among members. Battery life is respectable, and you can charge via USB while shooting for extended sessions. Fujifilm cameras maintain their value extremely well because photographers who try them rarely switch to other brands. The investment you make today will serve your photography journey for many years into the future. This brand respects the craft of photography while embracing modern technology in perfect balance always. Fujifilm proves that cameras can be tools, works of art, and sources of inspiration all at once.